I'm Melissa Muir. Welcome back for another Tool Time Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you just really briefly how I like to use dividers and scribes to mark my metal for cutting purposes. Here I have two dividers that I use in my studio quite regularly. I have a 4-inch divider and a 6-inch divider. The 6-inch divider is nice if you have really large pieces that need to be cut. However, I find the majority of the time I'm using just a regular 4-inch divider. You can purchase these many different places. I should have some more in my online shop coming up soon. What I like to do is I take my ruler, and in this case I'm doing this on the millimeter side, but obviously you could do it on the inch side as well, depending on how you want to set yours up. To widen or to shorten the distance in between your 2 points, you're just going to roll this little bar here. And let's say that I want something that's 10 millimeters, which is about the width that I usually use when I'm doing things like some of my spinner rings or my wide band rings. So then what I will do is bring this over to my metal, place the one edge just along the outside edge of my metal, and then I would press down so that this and here on the end of my metal will kind of hold everything into place, but all the pressure is actually here on the other end, so that as I come across it will actually score a line on my metal. Now, one thing that I like to do before I get to that point is make a black line with a Sharpie on my metal. The purpose of doing this is so that when I come in and create the line with my divider, it will actually stand out a lot, and it makes it much easier to see. So here I'll just kind of quickly score through this. And you can see there, hopefully it shows up on the video well, but you can see that now I have this line that stands out quite well against the black of the marker. Now what happens if I've got an uneven piece of metal here? One of the things that I like to do at that point is take a scribe, and working again with my ruler, maybe I would come in first, and let's say, this is where that Sharpie comes in handy again. And because I don't know exactly where my line is going to be, I'll just come in and make it kind of thick. And I can mark down, like from the furthest point, where this is going to be. And I will also mark just here along the edge so that I can kind of see where everything needs to be. At that point, I will take my dividers, line it up against my edge there, hold down my ruler, put my scribe on, and scribe across the line there. And if I needed to, I would do it along the top as well. Another thing that you could do on that is you could again take your dividers, and then this time, instead of using the outside edge of your metal, you could actually use the divider itself as a straight edge, and that will give you both of your sides. So that's just a really quick tip on how to use your scribe and your dividers to mark your metal.